Hello and welcome to Sesotho. Last time I left you with a small assignment to match the words that I provided with the colors I shared with you in the video. Were you able to do that? I hope so. Before we continue from where we left, I would like to introduce you to three unique sounds. Do you know one of the sounds comes from? Something related to a broom. And this is lishokwana. I got this lishokwana from this broom. Do you know any songs about the broom? Lefielo. Lefielo is a broom. Fiela, 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 ngwanana. Anyway, I hope the song sounds familiar. Now, if I were to slide this down your throat, it would most likely be uncomfortable. Or, if you are like me, then it would be ticklish. If it is uncomfortable, then you might produce this sound. Hold on to that sound because we will need it today. Now, do you like pizza? Pizza. The pizza sound. That's of the pizza. We will also need that sound as well. What about, do you play football? Let me see here. Imagine that the ball is tumbling down the road. Okay? We will need the sound as well today. Now, the first one. This is our first color today. Tesla. Tesla. TS apostrophe is Tesla. TS apostrophe EHLA. Tesla. Another one. Ntso. N-T-S-O. Is that correct? No, it isn't. Why? Because we need the apostrophe for the sound in Sesotho. N-T-S apostrophe O. Ntso. Another one is Sweo. I'm sorry, T-S-O-E-U. Is that correct? Of course not. And you see, you don't want to grow to be my age. Because you see the mistakes old people make. Okay, I'll try again. T-S apostrophe O-E-U. Swale. There's another one. Tokwa. Remember the ball tumbling down the road? T-H-O-K-O-A. Tokwa. Pinky. P-I-N-K-I. Pinky. You remember the other one is Perese. Perese. As in blowing out your birthday candles. P-H. P-H-E-R-E-S-E. Now, this is the one from the Lishokwana. Lishokwana is from the broom. I just shared a song with you about the broom. Hubedu. K-H. Hubedu. K-H-U-B-E-L-U. Okay. Practice. the spelling and the sounds of these different colors. And next time I will bring you something different. And I hope I will also share with you a different song about something that's very fascinating. Well, I look forward to see you then.